So today we're going to work on ordered pairs, but backwards. So we've been practicing with our x and y and how to put them on the coordinate plane. But now we have numbers on the coordinate plane and we have to figure out what their x and y are, what their ordered pair is. So they already labeled all of our numbers for us. They labeled our x-axis and our y-axis. So that's all we need to do. So let's look into our points. Let's start with k. So I'm going to label point K, and I'll put equals, and I'll put my ordered pair parentheses and comma. Now, I need to look at my X first. How many steps does K take? Well, K takes one step. So my X is 1. If I look at my Y, how many hops does K take up? 1, 2, 3. So my Y for K is 3. My ordered pair is 1, 3. Let's do V. V takes 3 steps on my X and 1 step on my Y. So it's basically backwards of K. And if you look at them, it kind of makes sense. All right, let's look at L. L takes 5 steps on my X and it matches with the 6 on the Y. Instead of taking hops, you can also just line it up with what axis it matches with. So it'd be 5, comma, 6. Let's look at B. B is at 7 for its X, and then it's at 2 for the Y. So my ordered pair would be 7, 2. And last, G is pretty close to B. G's X is also at 7, but the Y is at 3, so it is 1 up. And this kind of brings a good point. You can have more than one point in one spot. For example, if you think about Main Street, you could say that the stop sign right by the flower shop is in the same spot as the flower shop if you were labeling it right here. So you could say this is the stop sign, which we'll label as S, and then the flower shop is also in that same spot. We can name it F. And there we go.